Hello, my dear students. Today, 10 topic that is chromosomal aberrations. It is also known as chromosomal mutations. A sudden inheritable changes occurred in an organism is called mutations. The mutations were first discovered by Hugo de Vries in Enothera lamarckiana. The mutations are broadly divided into two types. One is chromosomal mutations or chromosomal aberrations. Second one is gene mutations or point to mutations. In cell, especially in the nucleus, chromosomes are present. Any changes in the chromosomes, especially their structure or numerical changes, they leads to the chromosomal aberrations. So the chromosomal aberrations or mutations simply divided into two types. Chromosome structural aberrations, again there are four types: deletions, duplications, translocations, inversions. The chromosome numerical aberrations are again two types: euploidy, aneuploidy. Euploidy, again two types: monoploidy, polyploidy. Polyploidy divided into two types: autopolyploidy, allopolyploidy. Aneuploidy, it is two types: hyperploidy, hypoploidy. In hyperploidy, trisomic and tetrasomic types are present. In hypoploidy, monosomic and nullisomic is present. This is the outline of the chromosomal aberrations. Now we discuss step by step about the chromosomal aberrations. Chromosomal aberrations or mutations may occur spontaneously or by induction. Such changes may result in quantitative alternation of genes or rearrangement of genes. The alternation of chromosome structure can, however, be detected through comparative analysis of the karyotype. So, types of chromosomal aberrations are divided into two types: structural changes and numerical changes. Structural changes of chromosome aberration. So, in the chromosome, it is made up of a length of DNA. In that length of DNA, some part of the DNA to make a metabolic activity is simply known as gene. So we understood the chromosome is made up of genes are nothing but a part of DNA. So the arrangement of genes, original condition and at different conditions, how they lead to the mutation, especially in structural changes. Four different kinds of structural changes of chromosome have been demonstrated in evolutionary. The first one is deficiency. The second one is duplication. And third one is inversion. And fourth one is translocation. These four types are studied under structural chromosomal aberrations or structural chromosomal mutations. So we discuss one by one. The structural changes of chromosome is simply divided into two types: changes involving the number of genes, changes involving the arrangement of genes. The changes involve the number of genes, again two types. One is deficiency, another one is duplication. These two are on the chromosome. Some genes may be lost or some genes are repeated. So the number of genes may be lost or may be gained. This type is called changes involving the number of genes. Changes involving the arrangement of gene. There are two types: inversions, translocation. Translocation. Inversions, 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 translocation. In the number of genes may be constant, but the arrangement of gene sequence especially may be different to the original sequence. This type is called changes involving the arrangement of gene. So let us we enter into step by step. First one is deficiency. Deficiency or deletion represents a loss in chromosomal material and was the first chromosomal aberration indicated by genetic evidence. This evidence, presented by Bridges in Drosophila melanogaster, showed deletions of X chromosome that included in Barlocus. So deletions may be very simple on that chromosome. Some genes are lost. So the deficiency or deletion are of two types. First one is terminal deletion. A single break near the end of chromosome would be expected to result in a terminal deficiency. For example, on the chromosome, several genes are present indicate A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So single break at near the end, that means the chromosome broken between I and J. So on that one part the chromosome A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I genes are present. Another broken piece on that chromosome J, K, L is present. Now this J, K, L piece of chromosome disappeared. So this type of deletion is called terminal deletion. That means the original chromosome lose some part of chromosome. Second one is intracalary deletion. If two breaks occur, a section may be deleted and an intracalary deficiency is created. For example, on the chromosome A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L genes are present. The chromosome broken into two pieces between C and D at one break, between F and G another break. So D, E, F genes containing chromosome part came outside and again the remaining two parts are joined. So in this situation the chromosome contain A, B, C, G, H, I, J, K, L genes and a remaining part or piece of chromosome D, E, F genes are present. These D, E, F genes containing chromosome is disappeared. This type of deletions are called intercalary deletion. So simply terminal deletion means the chromosome break into single piece, the chromosome broken into two pieces at the end region, one piece. The deficiency have an efficient on inheritance also. In presence of a deficiency, recessive allele will behave like a dominant allele, and this phenomena is called pseudo dominance. So what is the pseudo dominance? The homologous chromosomes are paired and form bivalent. In that homologous chromosome, the dominant gene undergoes to deletion. That means they loses some genes. The opposite homologous chromosome, the recessive alleles expose their character. This is called pseudo dominance. When it is exposed, the homologous chromosome shows the deletions. Duplication. Duplication represents addition of chromosome parts. A chromosome segment is present in more than two copies. That means on the chromosome, some of the genes are repeated again. The repeated genes cause to the duplication. Duplication originates out of unequal crossing over. Types of duplications. Duplications are of different types on the basis of position of duplicated segment. The first one is tandem duplication. The duplicated segment is repeat at adjacent region of the chromosome. So if you observe, the original chromosome contain A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H genes are present. These are the genes and sequence is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And the repeated genes D, E, F are also same genes present on that chromosome, and their sequence is also similar to the original sequence DEF and DEF. This type of duplication is called tandem duplication. And second one is reverse tandem duplication. The duplicate segment found as a reverse repeat at adjacent region of the chromosome. So on the chromosome A, B, C, D, E, F, GH genes are present. If you observe, the original sequence is DEF, the repeated sequence is FED. It is opposite to the original sequence DEF FED. So same genes are repeated, but the sequence is reversed to the original sequence DEF FED. This type of duplications are called reverse tandem duplication. And displaced homobrachial duplication. The duplicate segment is displaced the same arm of chromosome is called homobrachial duplication. That means if you see on the chromosome A, B, C, D, E, F, G genes are present, the centromere is present between C and D. The repeated genes are also D, E, F present on where the original D, E, F genes are present arm of the chromosome. So the repeated genes and original genes are present on the same arm of the chromosome. It is called displaced homobrachial duplication. Displaced heterobrachial duplication. The duplicate segment is displaced on the different arm of the same chromosome is called heterobrachial duplication. For example, on the chromosome A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H genes are present. The centromere is present between C and D. So the repeated sequence DEF and the original sequence of DEF are not present in the same arm. If you see, the original DEF sequence is present on right hand side, that means right arm of the chromosome, and the repeated sequence DEF are present on the left hand arm of the same chromosome. So that means the repeated sequence are not present on the same arm, another arm of the same chromosome is called heterobrachial duplication. So the duplications are 4 types: tandem duplication, the original sequence of the genes, the repeated sequence genes are similar. In this picture 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 3 original sequence and repeated sequence 2, 3. So it is called tandem duplication. Reverse tandem duplications. The duplicated sequence is opposite to the original sequence. Here the original sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. So 2 3 is original sequence, the repeated sequence is 3 2. So that means opposite to the original sequence. This type of duplications are called reverse tandem duplications. And displaced homobrachial duplication. So on the chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the centromere is present between 4 and 5, but the repeated sequence, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3 repeated sequence are present on the same arm, left hand side. You see carefully, 2, 3 genes are present on left arm and 2, 3 genes are also present on left arm. So repeated sequence and original sequence are present on the same arm. It is called displaced homobrachial duplication. And displaced heterobrachial duplication. So on the chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 genes are present. The centromere is present between 4 and 5. See the original sequence 1, 2, 3, 4 genes are present on left arm, 5, 6 are right arm, but the repeated sequence 3, 4 is right side arm. The original sequence 2, 3 is left. The repeated sequence genes are present on right arm. So original sequence genes are present on the one arm and repeated sequence are present on another arm of the same chromosome is called displaced homobrachial duplication. The duplication was critically examined in the bar locus of X chromosome of Drosophila. The bar character is due to duplication in region 16A of X chromosome. So in the Drosophila melanogaster, the 16A, it is single time, then the I is normal. On the X chromosome, the 16A gene is in single time original, the I is normal, it is normal type. The bar character is due to the duplication in the region of 16A of X chromosome. So borrowed I 16A 16A. So on the X chromosome, the 16A once duplicated 16A and 16A, it leads to the borrowed I, not normal I. The character of borrowed I, where the eyes are narrower as compared to the normal eye shape. So the eye is very narrow. And ultra bar or double bar on the X chromosome, the 16A is repeated twice. Original 16A repeated twice. 16A leads to the ultra bar. So the eyes are very narrower compared to the borrowed eye and a normal eye. So borrowed eyes have different phenotypes in homozygous bar and heterozygous ultra bar individuals, although in each case number of 16A segments remain same. This was called position effect. So this is 16A on the X chromosome. 16A present on single time, it is normal A. It get once duplicated, bar, it's duplicated twice, double bar or ultra bar. This is the best example of the duplication. And inversion represent reverse gene order in the chromosome. So the chromosomes are on the chromosome, genes are not deleted or genes are not gained. The arrangement of the genes on the original chromosome is different. It leads to the mutations. This type of mutations are called inversion. Inversions originate when parts of chromosome become detached, turn through 180 degrees and are reinserted in such a way that the genes are called reverse order. For example, a certain segment may be broken into two places and the broken two pieces may be close and proximity because of a chance loop into the chromosome. For example, if you see this is the chromosome, on that chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 genes are present. This chromosome broken at two places between 2 and 3 and 5 and 6. Now 1 to 1 piece and 3, 4, 5 one piece and 6, 7 another piece. Now this 3, 4, 5 rotated 180 degrees. Rotated how many degrees? 180 degrees. Now 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 7. See difference between original sequence and inversion sequence. The original sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The inversion sequence 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 7. So new genes are not gained or on that chromosomes no genes are deleted, but on that chromosome the gene sequence may be changed. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When genes, the arrangement is 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 7. This is simply known as inversions due to the some part of the chromosome rotated into 180 degrees. Types of inversions. Inversions can be of two types: paracentric inversion and pericentric inversion. Paracentric inversions are those inversions where inverted segment do not include centromeres. So in the inversion region, centromere is not participated. These type of inversions are called paracentric inversions. Pericentric inversions, those inversions where inverted segments include centromeres. So in the inversion part, centromere is present. These are called pericentric inversions. And another type of structural chromosomal aberrations is translocation. Sometimes a part of chromosome becomes detached and joins to a part of non-homologous chromosome, thus producing translocation. Translocations have been described in a number of plants and are important factors in the evolution of certain plant groups such as Datura and Enothera. Types of translocations. Three types of translocations are observed. First one is simple translocation. The broken part gets attached to one end of non-homologous chromosome. It is known as simple translocation. If you see on the one chromosome, A, B, C, D, E, F genes are present. On the another chromosome, M, N, O, P, Q. So these are non-homologous chromosomes. Why? Because on the chromosome genes are not similar. So these are called non-homologous chromosomes. On that one chromosome, the end part is broken, AB, and attached to the non-homologous chromosome end part, AB, MNO, PQ. So what means simple translocation? The end part of the broken and attached to the non-homologous chromosome end part, end to end, but the both chromosomes are non-homologous chromosomes. These are called simple translocations. Shift translocations. Broken part gets inserted interstitially in a non-homologous chromosome. If you see one chromosome broken between AB and CD, so the middle part, BC genes containing part come outside and it is inserted middle or non-homologous chromosome, MNO, BC, PQ. That means the broken part is middle and reach to the non-homologous chromosome into middle, end to end is simple translocation. Middle to middle is called shift translocations. That means the broken part is not end parts and the inserted region is also not end regions. Inserted into the non-homologous chromosome at the interstitial region. This is called shift translocation. And reciprocal translocation. When parts of chromosomes belonging to members of two different pairs become exchanged. Here the two non-homologous chromosomes are present, A, B, C, D, E, F, M, N, O, P, Q. One chromosome broken between B and C, so piece is formed AB, and non-homologous chromosome between N and O broken and Mn piece is formed. So now the pieces are exchanged. AB reached to the non-homologous chromosome and Mn reached to the non-homologous chromosome. So finally Mn C D E F AB O P Q. That means the two non-homologous chromosomes exchange their chromosome parts, simply known as reciprocal translocations. So simple translocation, one end reach to the non-homologous chromosome, another end, only one way direction. And shift translocation, the middle part of the chromosome is inserted into the middle part of the region of the non-homologous chromosome, and the two non-homologous chromosome parts are exchanged. They are called reciprocal translocations. This is the structural aberrations of chromosome. Remember once again the chromosomal aberrations related to the structural, broadly divided into four types. Deletions, again there are two types, terminal deletions and intercalary deletions. And duplications, again there are four types, tandem duplications, reverse tandem duplications, displaced homobrachial duplications, displaced heterobrachial duplications. Third one is inversions, again two types, paracentric inversions, pericentric inversions. Fourth one is the translocations, again there are three types, simple translocation, shift translocation and reciprocal translocations.